Matariki is that time to celebrate. Talk about the event this Friday. Let's go straight to it. Karaka wai. Whakanui ana I ngā whetū o Matariki. So what's the plan this Friday?
From 5 through till 9, we're going to be having our entertainment, which Noel Woods has organised for us. So we've got the awesome sort of 4 different artists of Sianne, Amba Holly Tuari Moananui and Maaka Fiso that are going to be playing every Friday for the next month. And as I say, from those times, and really what our focus is around the waiata, and then it's around the connection, it's around everybody getting together, and of course it's around fantastic kai. So we're also going to be showcasing our honey dish, our signature honey dish, but we also have honey salad and a number of other Māori infused flavours that will be coming through on a lot of our menus.
Ka mau te wehi, ka rawe hoki. Local stars, local musicians here from Pōneke. So every week.
That's it. So the next 4 weeks we'll be running that and it's just an opportunity for people just to get together, celebrate Māori New Year, new beginnings, leaving back behind everything that's happened in the last 3 months with the lockdowns and everything else, and it's just a future focus on all the good things that Te Whanganui Atara has to offer, and putting a really good Māori lens on that.
It's the Māori New Year. That's what it's all about. Where can our people find more details about the hui, the kaupapa?
Yeah, look, if they just come in online on our website, which is Karaka Cafe, if they jump on there, it's got all the details on there. It tells them where to come to, what time it all starts and all that detail. Actually has copies of menus, so that way you can sort of preempt what you want to have when you come down on Friday. But also the other good thing is it's just all around whakawhanaunga. It's about our people getting together and being who we are, which is Māori, and having a lot of laughs. And that was the other thing that I really enjoyed about 2 weeks ago that you were at. Just the laughter, the vibe. It was awesome. It was just a great environment, and it's a great opportunity for us just to get out there and have a good time.
And may I just add a beautiful, stunning venue that place is, Ātahi Warawatu. Hey, thank you very much, Paul, for joining us this afternoon and sharing with us this beautiful kaupapa to celebrate the Māori New Year here in Pōneke. Tirohia te pai tukutuku e hika mā karakacafe.co.nz if you want to know more details around where to purchase your tickets. Happening every Friday for the next 4 weeks to celebrate Matariki. E kore e mutu ngā mihi kia koe e Paul.
Awesome. You take care, bro.
You too. Ngā mihi.